Okay, let's see what he wants to talk about. Let's start timer and
Stop messing around.
stop missing me.
We should.
What are
You
you
have
gonna
the
say, Pop?
firearms.
I do. Those explosions and shouts beyond the embrace. Is that the trouble you were talking about?
You will know soon enough. Until then, we wait for dark.
Wait for dark?
Oh no.
Is something else bothering you?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, he's fine. Oh, oops. Okay.
I don't understand. Those explosions are outside the embrace. What can we do from in here?
The lesson will be taught in due time, Aloy.
Oh shit.
Until then, we wait.
Okay.
I saw Karst and got that tripcaster I was talking about.
I hate to think what that outlawed trader charged for a weapon of that make.
It wasn't cheap, but the caster is worth it.
Perhaps. You'll know it's worth soon enough.
Are you worrying about what happens after the proving?
What happens is clear. You will be accepted as one of the tribe, and I will still be an outcast. To be shunned.
Rost, even if the tribe accepts me, I won't...
There is much to do, Aloy. We will discuss this later.
Damn.
Okay.
Not anything
Still a
less.
while to go before dark. I guess I'll get some rest.
Good idea. There'll be no time for sleep tonight.
Quick save. Yep, that's all. There's like a bunch of noises outside. What the hell is that? Woohoo! Oh. Patience.
Opening a gate for an outcast?
Some who are shunned reaped honor before disgrace.
So much for tribal law.
I spoke to no one, and now we must both keep silent, for we are outside of the embrace. These are the true wilds, Aloy.
So wait,
The
there's a
threats unlike
borderline,
any
but
you've ever
there's a
faced.
village inside that borderline, and
That carcass. What sort of beast was that?
The tribe calls it a Sawtooth, and it's something new. Something angry. Since they first started appearing 10 years ago, they have killed many braves.
Yeah.
10 years ago. Damn. Oh wait. Don't I have a skill? And shit. I can't go down to it, right? No, it costs to. No. Oh, I should have done this. Oh no, no. Oh, I need this. Oh, this is silent drop. Okay.
Follow the path. It's not far.
So that's a
Okay.
carcass.
What happened to it?
A machine, that's what.
What sort of machine does that?
The sort of machine you're hunting now.
Oofa.
Oh. I see.
Yeah, oh. That's a lot of blaze. I got too much on. Oh, they're still alive. Ooh.
I'll watch your carcass. I'll harvest the parts.
Watch your surroundings.
Surroundings. Using this is a little hack, isn't it? Oh, shit. I thought that was something else. No. Oh. but my destination's over there. Oh shit, okay. Where are we going now? Oh, what's that?
An entire lodge wrecked by Sawtooths? How many were there?
I didn't bring you here to answer questions, Aloy. I brought you here to deal with that.
Oh, my final test is a Sawtooth. Shit. So, Sawtooth, as in Sabertooth.
It's huge. How do you defeat it?
That will be for you to decide. This hunt is yours to make, Aloy. Yours alone. No matter what happens, I will not intervene. You understand? You are on your own.
I should stay out of sight. I can use the tall grass to approach. Okay, let's see. Where can I place my
That can
traps?
help. Traps. Oh, there's a borderline. How do you use this? Wait, is he? Yeah, he's moving. I did this before. I didn't think the Sabertooth would move.
No good without ammo.
Just in case if it runs surgery, because there's some animals that do. The Strider did that once. Where is it at? Shit.
It's a start.
Come on, go for it. Come on.
Don't have ammo for this one. It's gone.
What the happened to the electricity? Come over here.
They're already gone.
What? Oh, it's dead. Can I get this back then? Guess not. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Oh my gosh, let me get some vitamins.
Never know when I might need these.
Yeah, you never know. Oh, the wrong one. Is this one? No? This one? There we go. That was so scary.
Why did I bring you here?
Not to answer questions.
Aloy.
Survival requires perfection. It was a test to hone my skills against a dangerous new machine.
No. Follow.
Hmm. So what was it for?
These are Nora hunting lands. They must be protected. If you hadn't destroyed the Sawtooth, how many Braves might it have killed or injured tomorrow? The lesson lives within the question, Aloy. For years, you've trained to win the proving, but only for yourself. As a Brave, it will be your duty to fight for your tribe.
My tribe?
Ooh.
You said I wouldn't need them.
But I never said the tribe wouldn't need you. The strength to stand alone, Aloy, is the strength to make a stand. To serve a purpose greater than yourself. That is the lesson you must learn. And remember it. After the proving. And after I'm gone.
Gone.
We're finished here. Follow.
Well, you mean totally dead, but is he sick or something? Don't be sick.
Dawn has passed. This will be your last day in the Embrace as an outcast. Use the time to set your mind on the challenges before you. When it is time for you to go to Mother's Heart, I'll be waiting for you along the way.
Wait,
I'll go back to the cabin with you.
I'm not heading there just yet. I have other plans.
Oh. Such as?
I'll be waiting for you when it is time.
I understand the final lesson, Rost.
Do you?
But if I'm going to stand for something, it'll have to be something I believe in.
Then I hope you find it, Aloy. I hope you do.
I'll see you at Mother's Heart then.
You will.
Mother's Heart now. Let's just save this. Let's just... Oh. Fuck, I ran away. Quick save. Where was I going? Just go ahead. Oh, that was a big jump. Very big jump.
Ouch.
I'm sorry. I'm going the wrong way. Sorry. Yahoo! Alright, let's go to this thing. Kebab. This is on ultra hard, right? I just felt like that was so easy. I might as well just leave it on ultra hard if that keycap wasn't that strong. Wait, wasn't there supposed to be horses? Or was it that? Oh, that looks like a shiny table. Shiny. Ugh, a shiny. Shiny. There we go. Shiny.
Aloy,
Oh shit.
we must speak. So, it's time. Are you ready?
You're fast.
Yes, I guess. It's louder than I expected.
You've never been so close before.
I guess everything's bigger up close.
Soon it'll all seem familiar. Like home.
I don't know about that.
Look for High Matriarch Tirsa. She'll help you. Any other concerns?
Are you sure they're gonna let me in?
Yeah, that's what I want
I've
to know.
told you, Aloy. By law, any child outcast can run in the Proving.
And any who pass are made braves and are outcasts no more. I know that. But not everyone follows the law like you do, Rost.
Have faith, Aloy. The tribe will honor your right.
What should I expect once I'm inside?
There will be people celebrating and feasting. More than you've ever seen in one place. No other village compares to Mother's Heart. It is the seat of the High Matriarchs, a center of Nora life, a jewel of the sacred land. Give it time, and you'll grow fond of it. As I was, back when I was of the tribe.
He was a brave.
Any final lessons before I head in?
No. You've learned every lesson the Wilds have to teach.
It was you who taught me, not the Wilds.
But the Wilds taught him, and he taught
Not
you.
sure my bow and spear will be much help in there, though.
It is with bow and spear that you'll win what you've wanted all these years, Aloy. Answers.
Ooh. Deep.
I'm ready to do this. See you back home in a few days?
You will not find me there, Aloy. Here. Take this to remember.
Oh.
Why are you talking like we'll never see each other again? No. No!
You should be with the tribe. And I will always be an outcast.
But I told you, I have that figured out. I'll come to you in secret. I'll be the one breaking the law, not you. You don't even have to talk to me.
This attachment to me will only hold you back. It's my wish that you embrace the tribe. You've lived in isolation long enough.
Until now, I
Isolation.
For
How
your
does he?
sake, I must go where you will never find me.
Oh.
This is goodbye.
No, I don't want to be mean.
I see. I'm glad to have this then. It will remind me of you, of everything you did, and how you helped prepare me for this day.
Thank you.
Heavier than it looks. But the cord is strong.
May All Mother bless you, Aloy.
All Mother. Who is All Mother? It's like the worshipper.
And you.
And you. Yeah, 20 minutes to go.
How could he do this? Today of all days. I have to keep my mind on the proving.
Oh, they got the blue color.
You will turn back, outcast. Or bleed. Your choice.
Damn.
Make way! Make way! Braves, stand aside. She is welcome here. Mother's heart is open to you, child. Come. I assure you, most Nora aren't so rude as those idiots.
You're Tirsa?
Who else would I be? Come on now. I've been waiting for this day a long time.
You have?
Oh, yes. But for the moment, I must leave you. I have other outsiders to keep safe tonight.
You what?
Envoys from another tribe, the Karja. Come to observe the proving, and oh, how the Nora hate the Karja.
Karja.
But that's my problem. We will talk later. In the meantime, enjoy the festival. Oh,
Yay.
down the path to the right, you'll find an old friend who can't wait to see you.
But I don't know anyone here.
Try telling him that. We will talk later. May the goddess protect.
Wait,
What is
wait.
going on?
I forgot too. What's going on? Let's make camp. I want to see something new.
Aloy! It's you, isn't it? Oh, it is Aloy, isn't it? I'm remembering your name correctly?
Are you the old friend Tirsa told me about? I don't know you.
I see you don't recognize me.
Well, I do.
Well, it
because
was a long time ago.
It was like 50
Teb
minutes
is my
ago.
name. You were half my size when you saved me from a herd of machines.
I remember. You tried to thank me.
I never forgot that day. All these years, I hope to see you again, if you came to run in the proving. As you can see,
Damn,
I
he
didn't
looks
turn out
ugly.
to be much of a hunter. I served the tribe as a stitcher instead. A maker of
What's a
garments
stitcher?
and armor.
Oh. Ooh.
In preparation for this day,
I
I've made
I
an
saved your
outfit for
life.
you.
You better give me a discount. No, actually, just give
What's
me
it
your
going to
finest
cost?
armor.
Cost? Nothing.
Oh. Ooh.
Consider it the thanks I tried to give years ago. Long
Long
overdue.
overdue. No, brave. Equip. Oh, that's a lot. This is only a blue, but there's better ones. No. Okay, let's sell this. This. That's it.
There. Seems to fit you perfectly.
Thank you, Teb. I've never had anything like this before.
Well, it's yours.
Me either.
I think you'll find it affords more protection than what you were wearing. Every outfit offers some advantage. It's always a trade-off. Anyway, I shouldn't keep you any longer.
Damn,
Head for the
thank you.
Matriarch's Lodge if you want to find Tirsa. You'll know it when you see it. A large wooden building with an angry mob waiting outside.
Tirsa said something about envoys from another tribe?
Yes, that's what the mob's angry about. Karja visiting our sacred land for the first time in years. I'd
Oh.
expect to see some tomatoes fly, maybe rocks. Hopefully not spears. In any case, be ready to duck.
I
There we
wanted
go.
her to stop drinking your tea, but she said it wasn't the right time.
I want to see. I want to have a party. No, what is that? Yeah, I'm good. That's just a bunch of idiots. Get out of my way.
I won't let the Karja
Oh, I thought that was a kid. They're going through something. Okay.
John, get down from there. Bad enough you're drunk. Why do you have to go climbing houses?
Not supposed to go climbing on other people's roofs, huh?
No, this is gonna be me
Get
when I'm
down
drunk.
from there, now.
Oh, that's just what you want, isn't it? For me to fall on my head.
What I want is for you to climb down.
What you want is for me to have no fun at all.
Fine. Stay up on the roof all night if you want.
Yeah, I will.
I'm with High Matriarch Lanzer. Shouldn't let those Karja outsiders pollute our sacred land.
Oh, that's definitely me when I'm
Listen
drunk.
carefully now,
The entertainment.
for you'll have to tell this when I'm gone.
What's this? This guy called Cillian. It's just out here.
From all
Aloy, over here.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Karst? What are you doing here?
Careful. Pretend like we've never met. I wasn't supposed to trade with outcasts in the wilds, remember?
How could I forget? And how generous of you to talk to me now.
Don't be like that. You know I'll be rooting for you in the proving tomorrow. Can't wait to see the looks on some of these faces when you win. And if you need any last-minute supplies, I'm your man.
So, Mother's Heart. I thought you preferred the wilds.
Well, man can't drink alone all the time, can he? Truth is, I get lonely once in a while.
Oh.
There, I admitted it. Don't
Oh.
think less of me.
I won't hold it against you.
Me either.
If you give me
but,
a discount.
You can't be.
I'm joking, Karst.
Oh.
It's good to see you.
Don't go soft on me. All sales are final. If it breaks, you're out of luck.
If it breaks. Shoot. Damn, I need a lot of money. What should I have? 1-6. I'll eat cereals. Why? Is she gonna buy something? I'll just eat cereals. I'm good. Okay, let's see what we got. 6. 6. On 6. On 7. 15 is not that much. 60 for Blaze. Damn, I'm glad I got 16 of them. Shit. Metal Vessel 60. I'm not getting that. No, I'm not getting that. Ammo. $75. That's stupid. Oh, so there we go.
Until next time.
Next time,
Next time I'll be a brave, huh? Ooh, I can get this. Strike from above. Bound to name. I already like this. Oh, I can't get it. Ooh, I want the hoarder thing. What the? How come I run? Ooh, okay, the
In a
Karja.
moment, we shall bless the proving. But first, we have guests to welcome.
For 2 years, we have been at peace with the Karja. It is time to restore our bonds of trade with Meridian. These envoys come to us under a banner of peace.
Why does it look like
An enunciation of
the other dude has a baby face? Damn.
and slavers! Yeah, killers and slavers!
Hey, hey! Hold your fruit, Nora Faithful. Hold your fruit. Now I'm Azaram, not Karja, so I'll put it to you straight. The 13th Sun King was a murderous bung. Oh, he was. He was a tyrant and a monster. He raided my tribe for blood sacrifice, just like yours. My own sister was taken. I hated the Carja. But the 13th king is dead. 2 years now. Who killed him? The 14th. Not because he lusted for power, but because someone had to put an end to his father's atrocities.
Oh, it was his own son that killed
The
him.
message that this poor priest means to read
Priest.
is an apology.
Oh, they know what the priest is, though.
Straight from the lips of the 14th king. So please, can't you lend him your ears?
No. Do it again, please.
An enunciation of gratitude written by the hand of Sun King Avad. 14th luminance.
Ooh.
People of the Nora.
Oh shit.
On the eve of your proving.
Unknown device detected.
No, the
What's that?
Carja
He's
stand
wearing a
with
Everyone's
focus.
acting like these
Just
cursed
like mine.
Carja.
You're the only other person I've ever seen wearing a focus. Where did you get yours?
What? A Nora? Wearing one of these? That's impossible. Your tribe fears the old places, forbids them.
Who says I'm like other Nora?
Why, I guess you're not. If you've gone delving in the ruins of the metal world.
What's wrong?
Apologies. Malfunction.
Right.
Oh, Lynn, you making friends with locals, are we?
I'll come back.
Wait.
No, we'll talk later. Have to go.
Whoa. Well, I guess he's more hungover than I thought. Hey,
That guy.
you got the same trinket that Olin has on his head. Since when did those become fashionable?
His name is Olin? Who is he? And where did he get one of these?
He's just a scrounger with friends in high places. He spends half his time digging for artifacts, the other half drinking or dicing. As for the trinket, well, I guess he dug it up somewhere. Just a weird old jewel he sticks on his face. I mean, no offense. It looks great on you.
Oh.
I've never seen armor like yours before.
You've never seen Vanguard steel? Well, let me introduce you. Ring-locked, impact-protected, sturdy enough to choke a Sawtooth. It has to be. The Vanguard are the Sun King's best. Life-takers and machine-breakers to a one. You might even give a Nora warmaid like you more trouble than she can handle.
With all that metal to slow you down? I doubt it.
Yeah, hard to say. From where I'm standing, looks like a pretty even match.
I thought your friend was gonna go down in a hail of fruit, but you really calmed the crowd.
Thanks. I wasn't sure I could do it. The Nora is still pissed with the Carja about the Red Raids. And who can blame them?
I should make my way to the blessing.
Yeah. Look, maybe I shouldn't say this, but it's obvious that you don't belong in this backwater. I mean, you're smart. You're obviously capable, and, well, I mean, look at you.
What are you talking about?
You know what. All right, if you ever visit Meridian, look me up. I'll show you around, make introductions. It'll be a whole new life, if you want it. I'll even introduce you to my sister. She's got more connections than I do.
I thought you said she was captured and killed by the last Sun King.
Ha! Captured, yes. Killed, no. It takes more than a few Carja to finish Ursa. She got away. Now she's captain of the entire Vanguard. That's quite a story. Maybe I'll tell it to you sometime over a drink. Anyway, I have to go to that blessing thing, too. So, see you around, maybe?
Oh, damn, that's a big fucking pickaxe here. Wait. There's like a back door. Ooh. Oh, shit. I done fucked that. Oh, damn, he's... No, it feels like I'm stalking him. I'll just run. Hi. Bye. They're doing the. Wait, they're doing anything? Fuck? Okay, bye. Like, fucking conjuring shit. Hey, talk to Idris? Who's he?
Oh!
Expecting more tomatoes?
In truth, I thought they were throwing stones.
Stones hit a lot harder. You'd know the difference.
If you wish to speak, we should do so after the ceremony. I'd rather not hold things up, or do anything else that angers these people.
That's pretty cool. Where's my seat?
Aloy, take your place right there. The prayer lantern is yours. I made it for you.
Aww. She's like a great grandma.
Blasphemy, sisters. Aspirants, before each of you sits a prayer lantern crafted by your mother. In her honor, light
that
its
kid.
flame.
It's that little girl, the one. Oh, Ross.
In honor of Rost. And all he did to help me get here.
Oh, Mother, hear our prayer.
Wait.
What is the child but
Oh
a
my
mother's
gosh,
hope that
how do they
tastes
have
light?
that?
A glowing flame that climbs the air, set free to the wind, sailing the sky till it fades and falls. So, from one to another, passes the chain of
That's
love.
so cool. They have that shit. Things and lanterns too. But that's so cool what they done.
For the goddess to judge the Guardian. There's Olin. I have some questions for him.
Remember that brave got
Back
drunk
up.
and
Wait,
danced
where's
naked
Olin?
around the fire last year? Same thing, but funny.
Wait. Oh, he's over there. Like, what's this putting on me?
Hello, Olin.
You know my name? Ah, guess Aaron told you.
Why did you act so strange when we spoke earlier?
Must be this festival. I'm really not one for crowds. Maybe I should just turn in.
Stop dodging my questions.
All right, cool your fire. I got nothing to hide.
I've never seen anyone else with a focus. Where exactly did you find it?
In a ruin, north of the Claim. That's our name for the Asuram homeland. Up there,
Shit, I
metal
forgot the time.
seams run deep. Steel giants half buried in loose soil. Forgotten caves that the old ones bored into
Steel
mountain
giants.
rock. Your eyes just lit up.
I found my focus in a cave just like you're describing. A ruin of the old ones.
If you've delved yourself, you know as much as I do. Go to those places for answers. Not me.
When we spoke earlier, you winced, then looked like you were in pain. Or frightened. Did your focus show you something?
It didn't show me anything. I told you. It malfunctioned. Happens all the time.
Mine's never malfunctioned, and I've had it since I was a child.
So yours is in better shape then. I'm sure the land here is full of relics. Seeing how you Nora are too scared to delve the ruins.
Because they think ruins are cursed. But I never said I think that.
If the North acknowledges a curse, I'm inclined to agree.
I don't understand. We have this device in common, but you can't wait to stop talking to me.
I already have all the friends I need, girl. I don't need the bother.
I'm used to being shunned by the tribe. I thought you'd be different.
It's nothing personal. It really isn't. You should try to enjoy yourself tonight. Big day tomorrow.
What the fuck does he mean by
Always
that?
best to make every day count.
What does he mean by that? What do you mean by that? Oh, what'd you say, girl? You want? Oh, that was magic. Look at that. Look at that magic. Well, yeah, I played. Anyways, I gotta do this somewhere good. Somewhere good, yeah. Am I stuck? I'm stuck. I was so stuck right there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hello. Bye. I gotta go. Sorry. I gotta make, no, kind of make it short, but I gotta go. I'll stop right well, soon right here. I wish I can. But I'll make another video right now after this, and I'll let you know what happens. But, yeah, just leave a like and subscribe. Comment down on anything, but comment down if you think that guy's sus. I don't think that guy, the one in the red cape, I think he's just frightened because of Lenora. Sus on him, sus on him, sus on her. Oh, it's only them. Why is it them? Weird. Anyways, see ya later. Leave a like, subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Till then, see ya.